While we're out here today, we're going to put on some biological stuff with this pull-type sprayer. We kind of bought that thing just to do a lot of this biological stuff. Since that tractor sits part of the year when it's not being used for the grain cart or the roller or whatever. But regardless, one thing that we're trying here, which is kind of unique, I think, is we blocked off every third nozzle. So you can see this one's blocked, and then we've got a nozzle here, and then there's two blocked, and then another nozzle. And we're put 30-gallon nozzles then in every third spot. So you can see the size of the hole that gives you in a nozzle. And we're running this thing up probably 60 inches up in the air to get a good pattern out of it. That allows us to pretty much pull the screens on this thing and push some pretty good solids through here. Easier on the biology, at least in our minds, that's how that's working. But on top of it, allows a lot of diversity. So we can do extract, not filter it, and also mix this bacterial stuff together and fan a bunch of that out post-emerge. So I'll show you guys a little video of it running, kind of what the pattern looks like. We're not worried about accuracy with this as much as we are with chemical, but we'd like to get it covered on the ground. We can run in a fair amount of wind because it's a big droplet and push a lot of coarse product through. So that we were just hosing out that's ACF, the bacterial stuff. It stinks. It smells almost like you're spreading manure or something like that. But so far we're seeing some pretty good response, I think, from the crop. In that our plan here is, since we didn't put a lot of the Johnson Sioux through the drill, or hardly any, and we just use it to treat some seed, we're going to try and do as much extraction as we can and get that sprayed on the crop while it's still in a pretty early vegetative stage here. That all depends upon rain. We've only had 9/10 of rain since the 1st of January, so 9/10 of rain for the calendar year. At some point, it's not worth doing a lot of this stuff, right? Because it needs rain to get it washed down into the soil and stuff too, I think. So let's pray for some rain here in the next couple of days. And if we don't get that, we might kind of shut this down. But it looks like this new setup's going to work pretty good.